Hello everyone, let's continue with strings. Let's explore indexing and slicing of strings using Python. First, let's start with IPython in Anaconda. We have our full name string variable called Muhammad Ali. Let's explore the length of the full name. Len full name The len function is a built-in function to get the length of the full name variable. Here we get 11. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the full name Muhammad Ali is 11 characters. The space between Muhammad and Ali is considered as a character. Okay, so we have 11 characters in full name variable. Okay. In computer science, counting is starting from 0, not from 1. We start from 0. So we have M at index 0, O at index 1, H at index 2, and so on till we reach I, the last character of the full name. It will be at index 10. So if we want to access the first character of full name variable, we use the full name, and inside the square brackets we write the index we want. If we want the first one, will be at index 0, so we get the M character. If we want the last character, will be the length minus 1. The length is 11 minus 1 is 10. We get I character. So we start from 0 till the length minus 1. Okay, we can write the length minus 1 as a function inside the square brackets, like len full name minus 1. If we calculate, here will be length of the full name is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. The full name of 10 is I. Okay, so what if we entered an index that is not in the length of the full name variable? If, let's say, we wrote the full name of 10, the full name of 11, the full name of 11, we get an error because 11 is out of range of the length. So the index is not in our length, is not in the range of our length. So 11 is out of the range because we have the length is 11, so we start from 0 to 10, so we don't have any more characters. So we get the index error, string index out of range. Okay, we can access the last character using this expression, full name -1. -1 indicating the last character, I. Okay, and so you can consider this as -1. I is -1, L is -2, A is -3, the space is -4, and so on till we reach minus length, -11. Let's try. If we wrote -11, will be the character n. Okay, so you can write it as a function, say minus len the full name will be also m. Okay, for example, if we want to access the of 5, the full name of 5 at index 5 will be here. Let's count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be the E character. Okay, so now we know how to use indexes with our string. Okay, let's talk about slicing. We want not only one character, we want a group of characters together. For example, let's say we wanted the group of characters from 0 to 4. From index 0, starting from index 0 to the 4th character. Consider that the character at index 4 is not included in our result. Okay, so we have the character at index 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 is not included. So 0, 1, 2 and 3, MOHA. Okay, let's try from 2 to 6. 2 to 6 will be HAME. From 2, 0, 1, 2, from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is not included. So HAME, the result will be. Okay, let's try from index 3 to index -1 to the last character, but the last character is not included. So we have from 0, 1, 2, 3, we start from A, Ahmed, the space, A, L, and I is not included. Okay, so always the second one is not included. The character before the second one is only included, is the last one to be included. Okay, let's try another expression. another expression. Let's say we want the whole character, the whole string, all characters from the start. We use this expression. We get all Muhammad Ali, all the characters. Let's say we want from index 2 to the last character, from index 2 to the last character. We want from the character of -5 to -1. -1 is not included. B and space and AL. I is not included. Also, what if use this expression, the index 3 to index 15. 15, the length is not, this 15 is exceeding the length. Yes, so we get all from index 3 to the last character of our string. Okay, so for now we are done for this lesson. For the next lesson we will learn how to manipulate strings using methods. This is what we are going to see in the next lesson. So see you next lesson, and bye.